Hello class, Mr. Geisler here. We're going to determine if ratios are equivalent today. So a ratio is a fraction or a comparison of two numbers. So 8 over 9, we can also write this as 8 is to 9. Okay, all right, we can also write that as a ratio that way, is a ratio. Are these two equivalent? The word equivalent, okay, let's highlight this word. The word equivalent means equal to, okay? That they're the same, okay? So yesterday I was equivalent to who I am today. I'm the same person, okay? I might wear different clothes, I might eat different food, but I'm still the same person, so we're equivalent. So how do I know these two are equivalent to each other? There are a couple of different ways of doing this. First of all, I could look at this and say, does this simplify? Okay. Does this simplify into that? What goes into 72 and 81? What's the biggest number? What's the greatest common factor that goes into both of these? It's actually 9. Okay. I can divide this by 9 and this by 9. 9 goes into 72 how many times? 8. 8 times 9 is 72, subtract, you get 0. Okay? That's 8. Okay? And 81 divided by 9. 9 goes into 81 how many times? 9 times. 9 times 9 is 81, subtract, you get 0. So, in other words, this is the same as this, and yes, these are equivalent to each other. Okay? Even though these numbers are a lot bigger, they come out to be the same fraction when I simplify it down. Now there's one other way that I can do this. Like looking at this example, 1.5 over 9, 1 and 5 tenths over 9, and 1 over 6, is to do what's called the cross product. Okay? And if the cross product, if they're equal to each other, okay, then we know that these are equivalent. So I can do 1.5 over 9. Does that equal 1 over 6? Let's do the cross product. 1.5 times 6. Does that equal 9 times 1? 1.5 times 6, if we do this, 6 times 5 is 30. Put down the 0, carry the 3. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 would be 9. So that's 9. So this side is 9 over here. What's 9 times 1? 9. Are these two equal to each other? Yes, they are. So these two would also be equivalent. So I was going to give you one that wouldn't be equivalent. It would be like 1/2 is equal to 1/5. Are these two equal? Is a half of a pi equal to 1/5 of a pi? No. And if I did the cross product, I'd get 1 times 5 equals 1 times 2. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. Are these equal? No. So therefore, those two would not be equal to each other. So that's how we determine if the ratios are equivalent to each other.